I hear people are calling Ashli Babbet a martyr. Wrong. Traitor to the oath to the U.S. Constitution that she took. In which case, the penalty for treason is death. I hope all of the traitors who stormed the U.S. Capitol in January suffer the same punishment. All the way up to the top. Chain Donald to one of them cast iron lampposts in Constitution Avenue. Pile the kindling up to here and light it. Let him scream like a pig. This is a continuation of Ashli Babbet, traitor to her oath to the Constitution. You people who want to make her a martyr, why don't you fucking move to goddamn Afghanistan or Iran or Saudi Arabia or motherfucking Russia? Because that's the kind of people you are. Fucking animals.